Hi everybody, David Kino with Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Thursday, July 23rd. So I just want to give you guys a quick overview of what's going on in the Nasdaq market. This is the QQQs. You can see this is approximately down 1.9%. At one point we were down over 2%. We are moving out of lunch into the afternoon now, and this price action pattern is weakening as we speak. If we look at the daily, we want to pay very close attention to this price level right around $686. This was tested back on the 17th, and that low was put in on June 9th. So if that market breaks right there, the next stop is way down here to 677. See the pennant that we were in starting into the month of June, going into July. In the Nasdaq, it actually broke lower. The S&P actually broke higher, but now is rolling back down. The Nasdaq didn't have that. It basically just fell apart here. Tried to rebound a little bit. We're back near the low. So this 686 level is really important. Follow through down here to the MQ trend dots around 676. And if that breaks, because of this long, consistent move higher, we have a considerable distance we could fall to the downside. I think the next logical target would be 650, and then the 200-day simple moving average, which is currently around 643. Okay, we really don't want to break this if you're a bull, but if you're a bear, that's your opportunity to potentially short the market for a downside move going forward. Okay, thanks a lot.